Today I am going to explain Module 3 Analysis of Rate. So what do you mean by analysis of rate? To determine the total cost of any structure or building that will be considered, and also it is necessary to determine the rate per unit area for different item of the work. For example, the different item of the work, the quantities of materials, cost of the labor, the transportation and miscellaneous. So this overall which will be called as the rate of analysis. What is the purpose of rate of analysis? The first, to determine the correct rate per unit item at the different locality, because all the material cost will be changes based on the locality and everything. To examine the viability of the rates offered by the contractors to give the successful projects and everything. Third, to calculate the quantity of the materials, labor strength required for the project planning. To fix up the labor contract rates and the location of site work, the distance of the sources which we are considering here, the rate and everything, that is transportation, loading and unloading of any particular the materials and everything. So before starting of any particular, that is the problems to finding of the cost of the particular the work. So we have to note down what are the materials cost as per the guidelines and everything, So when you are considering here, based on the locality, all the material cost will be changes. So the first class burnt brick that will be considering here, that is 8 rupees per number, that is one number. Cement rupees, that is 400 per bag. So that will also differs based on the grades of the cements and everything. 40 mm size of the aggregates, that is rupees 1000 rupees per meter cube. The fine aggregate, that will be varies from 2500 to the 3000, because nowadays the scarcity of the fine aggregate, we will be using here M sands and everything. So approximate we are giving here the labor cost and everything. Head mason per day, the per head which will be having 800 rupees. Masons, that is for per day per head, that is 700 rupees. Male coolie, the 500 rupees. Female coolie 400 rupees. Bisti, that will be using for the watering purpose and everything, that will be considering here 350 rupees. To finding the total rate per unit item of the work, we have formula here, the total cost divided by the total quantity, which will be giving here the per the meter cube and everything. So today I am going to solve one problem, that is rate of analysis for cement concrete bed 1:4:8 using the 40 mm size of the jelly. So let us consider that is 10 meter cube of the work. We will be calculating for 10 meter cube of the work and everything. So before starting of any particular project, we have to add here 50% of the extra for dry mix. So why we are adding here extra for dry mix? Because when you are considering here wet mix as well as the dry mix, which will be changes the volumes and everything. So due to the presence of the shuttering and everything, voids present in the shuttering, so all the fine particles of the cement which will be filled. So and also if any particular wastage, if it is occurs, so here we are adding here 50% of the extra dry mix for that particular 10 meter cube of the work. So 50 divided by 100 into 10 plus 10, it will be giving here 15 meter cube. So whatever we are calculating, we are finding for the 15 meter cube of that is cement concrete bed. So first I will start with that is materials. So when you are considering here, the materials are which will be used cement, sand, and also here they are given here jelly, that will be having here 40 mm size. So when you are finding here, what we have to do, we have to find the quantity. We don't know the quantities and everything. So the calculation of the material, so first I will find with the cement. Cement, when you are considering for the 1:4:8, so 1:4:8, which will be given, that is 15 meter cube, 1 plus 4 plus 8. So this 15 meter cube of the work, and also this 1:4:8 sum of the ratio. So into the quantity, because 1 is nothing but cement, 4 is nothing but fine aggregate, 8 is nothing but coarse aggregate. So 1, which will be giving here 1.15 meter cube of the cement we required. As we know, that is 1 bag of cement which will be carries here 50 kg of that is cement. And also when you are considering here 1 meter cube of 1 meter cube of it requires with the 30 bags of the cements and everything. So here when you are consider here, that is 1.15 into 30, so which will be giving here approximately 34.5 bags of the cement. So next, like that we have to calculate for the next. Next we have to calculate for the sand when you are consider here. So when you are finding here the sand, so the 15 divided by 1 plus 8 into what is the sand that will be having here 1:4:8, which will be required with the 4.62 meter cube of the sand. Again we have to find the quantity of jelly. So that will also 15 divided by 1 plus 4 plus 8 into 8. So that will be requires with the 9.3 meter cube of that is the jelly and everything. So here we know the quantities and everything. So what will be the rate when you are considering here? What will be the total cost of that particular project? So when you are starting here, first I'll start with the cement. Cement it will be requires with the 34.5 bags. So when you are considering here 34.5 bags, so the rate which will be having here the 400, the unit which will be considering here the per bag. So the total cost will be 13,800. Again the sand quantity which will be required with the 4.62. So what is the unit when you are consider here? This is also considering per meter cube. So what is the cost? So I'll be considering here 2,500. The total cost will be 11,550 rupees. Again jelly. So the total the quantity 9.23. So what is the cost? I'll do 3. So what is the cost? I'll be considering here the 1,000. So that is also considering for meter cube. So total 9,230 rupees. So after that we have to go for the labor. So when you are considering here the labor, so first we have to consider what number of the labors we have to require. So always this will be decided by the NBC. NBC is nothing but National Building Code. So as per the National Building Code, they have provided with the main numbers of that is labors and everything. So first we have to require with the head mason, and also we have to require with the mason. Again male coolie, female coolie, bisti. So when you are considering here the rate, that is we will be required with the only for giving the guidelines. So I'll be considering here half quantity. So what is the rate? So as per the different locality, the rate also which will be changes. So 800 rupees, and also this will be considering here per day per head. So the total cost will be consider, that is 400. Again when you are considering here the masons and everything, so it will be required with the one number. So the total cost will be consider, that is 400. Again when you are considering here the masons and everything, so it will be required with the one number. So when you are considering here the 700 rupees, the quantity unit will be per day per head. So that will be having here 700 rupees. Again, male coolie, it will be required with the 15 numbers. So when you are considering here 15 numbers, the total cost 500 rupees. So total cost will be 7,500 rupees. Again, female coolie, which will be required with the 5 numbers. So 400 per head. So that will be having 2,000 rupees. Again, Bisti, it will be required with the 2 numbers. So 300. So which will be having here 600. Bisti, 2 numbers, 300 rupees per head. That will be considered 600. Again, sundries is nothing but that will be giving here 200. So that will be considering here lump sum. So that is 200 rupees. Lump sum is nothing but we will be considering for overall of the project. So we have to find here what is the total cost. So when we are adding, these are the total cost. So that will be having here 45,980 rupees. So this is the total, the cost of the project. So when we are consider here, we have to add 10% of the contractor profit for what is the total amount. So 10 divided by 100 into 45,980 rupees. So that will be giving here 4,598 rupees. And also we have to add here 1 to 2% of the water charge. So I'll be considering here 1.5% divided by 100 into 45,980 rupees. Approximately it will give 689.7 rupees. And also when you are considering here what is the total amount. So total cost, that is 51,267.77 rupees. Again we have to calculate for rate per meter cube. So we have formula, that is total cost divided by total the quantity. So when you consider 51,267.7 divided by 10 meter cube. So that will be giving here 5,126.77 rupees. So this is the total cost for 10 meter cube of the cement concrete bed.